Hello everyone, my name's Paul and I'm a media creator. I'm a musician, music producer, videographer, photographer and designer, and it's my aim to give you the skills to make it in today's creative industries. Today's video what will hopefully be the first in a series of videos where I break down some of my more successful royalty-free music tracks. Royalty-free music is really big business these days and it's a great way for a musician to create extra income. Okay, so the first track we're going to look at is one of my more successful tracks. I describe it as an indie folk acoustic style track. With this genre there's some key elements that make it work well for media. Let's have a quick listen to the track and get a quick feel for it. Okay, so let's get started. Normally when I'm composing any type of track, whether it be a song, film score or royalty-free music like this one, I like to start with the chord progression. So let's have a quick listen to the chord progression. I'm going to start it where I normally start and it's with piano. So let's have a quick listen to that. Okay, with this type of track you want an uplifting feel, so playing in a major key is a good start. So here I've used the 4-1-5-6 progression in the key of C major. The chords are F, C, G and A minor. As you can hear, I've chosen piano as the starting instrument, but the same progression is played on a variety of instruments throughout the track. Okay, so let's have a quick listen to all the layers. If you're wondering what the acoustic guitar and the electric guitar tracks are, they're all Native Instruments session guitarist tracks. What I'll often do when I'm using those type of instruments is bounce them out and commit them to audio. This is simply just to save on CPU as they can be quite intensive. Okay, so just sitting underneath the rhythm section is also a bass guitar. So let's have a quick listen to that by itself. Now let's listen to it in context with all the rhythm section. As you can hear, the same chord progression is used throughout the track. I'll often do this with this type of music. Okay, so let's listen to the percussion section of the track, starting with the kick drum. The shaker and tambourine loops are actually just Apple Logic loops. Okay, so what really sets this type of track apart is its use of melody. A lot of royalty-free and production music tracks do not use strong melodic lead lines. However, due to the nature of the instrumentation used in this type of track, a melodic line really fits in well. So let's have a listen to all the instruments that play the melody. As you can hear in this track, I've actually wrote two melodic lines, one for an A section and one for a B section. I'll often do this in tracks. I'll either change the chord progression or I'll change the melodic line if there is one, just to break the track up and give it a bit of a different feel. Okay, so now let's listen to our effects that we have. So that's just simply Native Instruments Rise and Hit, just a soft swoosh 2, I believe it is, or soft swoosh 1, I believe it is. I use it in most tracks. It's a really useful sample to use. And lastly, I've just added some shouts to give it some extra impact. As for mixing, I just try to keep it simple. I'm not a trained mixing engineer, so I just tend to do everything by ear. As you can see, it's mainly just volume, some panning left and right, and some reverb and some effects like compression and EQ throughout the track. And for mastering, I've just used Ozone Elements. So hopefully that gives you some inspiration and helps you write your own music in this style. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.